Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Condo Games. First, understand that condo games on Roblox are user-created social experiences, not an official game category. These experiences typically focus on role-playing and social interaction within virtual apartment or house settings. To begin, you'll need to use the in-game search function. It's crucial to search for specific keywords like hangout, roleplay, or apartment to locate these popular community-made experiences among the millions available on the platform. To find these games, navigate to the main Roblox game page and locate the search bar. Type in relevant keywords like hangout, roleplay, or apartment. Browse through the search results, paying attention to game titles, descriptions, and the number of active players. A higher player count, often in the hundreds or thousands, usually indicates a more active community. Once you've chosen a game, simply click its icon and then the prominent Play button to enter the virtual world. Once inside a condo game, expect open-ended social interaction and role-playing. Many games feature customizable apartments, allowing you to decorate and host others. Use the in-game chat to communicate with fellow players, initiating conversations, or participating in ongoing role-play scenarios. Always be mindful of the specific rules or themes established by the game creator, which might be displayed prominently. Respecting other players and their virtual spaces is key to fostering a positive and enjoyable environment for everyone involved. For your safety, always adhere strictly to Roblox's community standards and terms of use. Never share any personal information, such as your real name, address, or phone number, with strangers you meet in games. If you encounter any inappropriate behavior, immediately use the in-game reporting tools, which are typically accessible through the menu. Additionally, you can block users who make you feel uncomfortable, preventing them from contacting you further and ensuring a safer, more enjoyable experience on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.